What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the Lowe's mower. I've been putting this off for quite some time, but I finally did it, and I wish I had done it sooner. I'm not quite sure why I had put it off for so long, but this right here is the original carburetor that came off the Lowe's mower. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you may recall that I said I've been wanting to either clean this carburetor or get a new one. Right here's the gasket that sat on the top there. But I had taken this off the mower, and there are 4 screws around here. And when I tried to pull this apart, apparently there's some kind of linkages in here. So when I opened it up like this, there was just no way to fully disassemble it and clean it really well. I also took that off right there and cleaned it the best I could, and I did put it back on and it still ran the same, which was I kind of expected, because I wasn't able to really clean it the way a carburetor should be cleaned. So I found a carburetor on eBay. I wanted a genuine replacement, but the 2 or 3 listings I found, they were asking near $200 or over $200, and I just didn't want to put that kind of money into the mower. So let's go up here, and I'm going to show you guys the carburetor I purchased, and I'll also put an image on the screen. I'll show you guys how much better the mower runs. Okay, let's get this light on. My dad's mower is there, but I didn't bring the key to move that out of the way. But let's get this latch. There's a latch over here. See if I can do this one-handed. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but right there we are. There's the new carburetor. That's about the best view I can give. And so what was going on before is, at idle, I would have to keep this choke about halfway out, and it still wanted to kind of die, and I'd have to start it back up. And if I gave it more throttle, I would have to ease this in a bit, which isn't how it's supposed to be. So it runs a lot better now. Let me just show you guys. Just pull this out once, which it probably doesn't need it, but just runs so much better. It doesn't want to die, and I can leave that fully in. And now the throttle is so much more responsive too. Wish I had done it sooner. So there you go. And I've already decided, because this tire still keeps losing air on me. So I didn't have a socket big enough to take off the wheels. Sorry, I tilted you guys sideways, but I didn't have a socket large enough to take off the wheels, because in one of my videos I showed you guys that I had these new, I guess you can call them spindles. Someone corrected me in one of my videos because I was calling them axles. Yeah, they're technically not axles. Axles technically have splines, so yeah, but you know, most people knew what I meant, but the one person just wanted to correct me. So I had to order a socket, 6-point socket, and that will be in Wednesday. Today's Monday. And also have to grease these up because they're squeaking really bad. So gonna take those off, take them to the shop, the tire shop, and get them to just put tubes in them. Not have to worry about it anymore. The back ones are doing just fine, so no issue there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. And also, since I got a new carburetor, I'm going to sometime soon, I've got 2 fuel filters I'm going to put in a new fuel filter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, this engine runs so much better now. Wish I had done it sooner. I keep the oil changed, which, you know, helps the longevity of the engine. And yeah, I just love this old Lowe's mower. I don't know what it is. I guess it's because I put so much work into it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.